D3 D-Present D9 Smart Home Alarm System. This video will explain the installation process of D9 model with PA sensors, door sensors and fire sensor. Same installation process will be used for packages with any number of sensors. Let us check the sensors and components supplied with the package. Now open the back panel cover and insert the GSM Sim in the card slot. Connect the adapter with power supply. Let us understand the remote control buttons. Let us understand the meaning of each button on the control unit. Next part of the video will show how to configure the user mobile number in the control unit. Please follow the step-by-step process and configure mobile number in the control unit. All the sensors supplied with the pack are already configured with the control unit. Next part of the video will show how to install the sensors and test the system. Open the cover and install the battery in all PA sensors. Test the sensor now. Press the arm button on remote control, and wave your hand to activate this. Siren will be activated and alert message sent on mobile phone. To deactivate the system, press the B button on remote. Attach the sensor to the wall, using the screws and fixings supplied with the pack. Now let us install door sensor. Open the cover and install the battery in all door sensors. Door sensor work when magnetic part moves away from main sensor. To activate system, press the C button on remote. This is away arm state. Move magnetic part away from main sensor. Siren will be activated and alert message sent on mobile phone. To deactivate the system, press the B button on remote. Let us install the fire sensor. Insert the batteries in the fire sensor. Test the sensor using the test button. Install the fire sensor on the ceiling or wall. on give you family a 24/7 protection with D3D security systems.